Hi guys, it's Loz and Newfie. Well, it's just Newfie. I just wanted to do a little video today just to talk about another Louis Vuitton item that I have. Well, actually two Louis Vuitton items. Before I do, I just want to again thank everybody for subscribing, and for those that haven't, it would be really helpful for us, please, if you could please give us a thumbs up, like and subscribe, and hit the notification bell. We would really appreciate that. We mainly talk about some luxury items and some reviews, but pretty much we will talk about anything. We do a couple of, Aussie try videos and chit chat and just generally have fun. So if that's something you would like, please subscribe. Let's get into today's video. The first thing I want to talk about today, and it's again another couple of items that one I've had for many years and another I've had for maybe 1 year. And I just want to let you know why I still have them, what I think about them, and they're just really small items that I'm sure you probably have as well, but for those that might not and be thinking about it, first thing I want to talk about is the Louis Vuitton with the traditional emblems and the cherry, I think this colour is called, card holder. It does have, hope that's focusing, with my face out the way. So this little card holder, I think when I bought it, Australian dollars, I think it was about 200, 300, something like that. I think they are worth more now, but it's really, really handy. I like that it's now wearing, as in when I say wearing, none of the side is wearing like what I hear. But I'm trying to block my face so the camera picks it up. But what I mean by wearing is it's more flexible now. Like I can open it a little bit. I can get cards in there easily without, I should just grab a card and show you. Hold on. Okay guys, so I've grabbed a card. It's just a basic credit card. I won't show you the numbers. But yeah, so it just goes in really easily, as you can see. It can also go into the middle. In fact, I can hold various in there. And of course, there's one on the back. I really like this, especially like if you're new to Louis Vuitton and you want to buy something that's not too expensive, because everything's expensive, but something that you would actually practically use, which is to me the point of having it. I know there's a lot of collectors, but this is something I practically use. It's really good for when you've got your little handbags, well, really any handbag, but you can just slip it in, and I like it because you can actually just take it out of your handbag. Say if you're at lunch or something and you're actually working from an office space or wherever, or whatever, you can just slip it in your pocket actually. Anyway, I really, really like it. I think it's really useful. I have a number of handbags that has this red cherry. That's why I chose that particular colour. And I really like the traditional Louis Vuitton canvas. I believe the middle is leather though. So look, I've had it for probably at least a year, if not more, and I love it. People talk about the side coming off, what do they call it? Anyway, mine hasn't, doesn't even remotely look like it ever will, and if it did, I'd probably fix it because I really like it. So that's today's first item, which I'll give you the item number. It's M61733. It's monogram and fuchsia, monogram canvas and cross grain leather lining. So I think that that's this cherry. So I absolutely would recommend this. I think that is could buy for somebody for a present. Expensive present, maybe I like them. But yeah, no, definitely something worth having. And I absolutely do use this a lot. I think since I bought this Victorian, I think it's called Victorian, whatever, Victorine wallet. It's a little purse which goes with my little Speedy. I tend to use this a lot, but this is a bit thicker, see that? So therefore, when I've got my little bags, I'm just going out for the night, this is really handy. So that's the first item. The second item I've literally had for, when did I have this? Probably years, but I would think, just going to look for the details. Okay guys, so the next item I've had, I would say for at least 5 years, but I'm not really sure how long. I bought it when I was at Louis Vuitton in Singapore, which I can't even remember the year. It might be 15, 16, I don't know. Anyway, it's this one. And I'll just show you. It's got the little bit of the vachetta leather, which I don't personally like. I know it's very Louis Vuitton. I'm alright that it's a little bit, and I'm alright that it's patinaed because of me. I don't think I'd like to have that pre-loved, I don't know, just the thought of somebody's other hands on it. I don't know, that's probably silly. This cosmetic pouch is M47515. It's monogram canvas. It's washable textile lining, which I'll show you. It's got the gold hardware and an inside pocket. So I'll show you now. Mine, of course, because I do use it for cosmetics, for makeup, so it is dirty, I'll be honest, or I have tried to clean it. So that's the inside, but it is the, it's got a back pocket. I don't know what you use a back pocket for, whatever. I really don't know. I've never used that. I guess you could put hair ties or, I don't know. Anyway, that is, the inside is, I don't hear that. It's washable, so I do actually wipe this out. I wipe it out a lot. I like that you can open this a lot, like it's quite big, but this isn't too big. It can fit in some of my handbags, definitely the bigger ones, but to me, it's empty because I find it, the shape is odd to me. You can get a lot at the bottom, sort of like the Elma. You can't get a lot in the top, and then it just, oh, I don't know. It's sort of, I wouldn't buy it again, if I'm honest, but I wouldn't sell it either. Like, I'll keep using it. I've had it for years, so I'll continue to use it. I like the idea that I have a cosmetic pouch, but I probably don't use it. And I know the big craze is to go out and buy those new ones, the bigger ones, the other ones, have them as a handbag. For the life of me, I don't understand why you would want to make a cosmetic pouch into a handbag. I know people do it. I just personally don't get it. Just buy a handbag. Buy a handbag, people. And if you don't want a cosmetic pouch that's so expensive, just go up to Kmart or somewhere and buy a $10 one. Like, seriously. I would not buy this again, but I am glad I have it. It kind of doesn't make sense, but I hope you understand. So they're my two items that I've had. They're older, I love them. This I'd buy again, this I wouldn't. I don't know what you guys think. I'd love to hear what your thoughts are. If you want to ask me any questions, please put in the comments. Otherwise, I will finish up for today. Okay guys, bye.